Fill It Forward, we believe choosing to reuse is a simple act of generosity that shows love for our planet and the people on it. That's why we created an app that helps amplify the impact of every reuse, allowing users to track their environmental footprint while also contributing to charitable giving projects around the world. Here's how it works in 3 easy steps. Fill it, scan it, give it, and repeat. Scan with your phone camera each time you reuse, or download the free Fill It Forward app to unlock additional features that track and personalize your ongoing impact. For those that already have a reusable, add a Fill It Forward tag to your favorite water bottle, coffee mug, food container, and reusable bag. You can scan anywhere, at home, school, the office, and even your local coffee shop. With every reuse, you've diverted another single-use item and unlocked a donation to one of our charitable partners. Together, as individuals, schools, and companies, we've eliminated millions of single-use items from ending up in our landfills and oceans and helped fund hundreds of charitable giving projects. Join the Fill It Forward community, a community that's always giving.